So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to connect your Payoneer to Etsy. So first, you need to access your Etsy account by opening the Etsy application and make sure you access your profile by clicking the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you will see this page and make sure to click on the account settings when you click your profile icon, which is on the drop down menu. Once you click on that, you will see the choose a payment method right here, and you just have to click the text box which is shown and make sure to enter your correct credentials from your Pioneer application. And you just have to fill up your name, your card number, expiration date, as well as your security code. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Pioneer onto Etsy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.